Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to make a logo on CorelDraw and then convert the logo into a 3D logo on Cinema4D. This tutorial is made just in case you're not familiar with a similar designing program like CorelDraw called the Adobe Illustrator, mainly used by professionals to make logos, and then they can do anything they want with the logo, for instance, converting the logos into 3D. If you're only familiar with CorelDraw, this tutorial is for you. Simply open CorelDraw to start, and then on the top left of your screen, click on File and then click on New. Resolution doesn't matter, so click on OK. Afterwards, type F5 like this to make lines or vectors that construct the logo that we're making. If you already have a pre-made logo, copy the logo and then paste it on your workspace. The logo is almost done. It's been created. Remove the outlines now. On the right side of the screen, there's a section of a palette that has the red cross on it. Right click on it and then color it black by left clicking the black section of the palette like this. The logo has been created. Now it's time to convert it into 3D. Simply click on File and then click on Export so that a file in the format of AI is created. It's an Adobe Illustrator format, not this artificial intelligence kind of thing. So name the file, for instance, random logo, and then set the format into AI or Adobe Illustrator and then click on Export. Make sure the compatibility is set to Adobe Illustrator 8.0 because that's the only readable format on Cinema4D. And then click on OK. The file has been created. Now we can open Cinema4D to convert the logo into 3D. Cinema4D is a mainstream animation program used to animate 3D objects in the professional world. So after it's open, close the dialog and then click on File and then click on Open Project. Select the file, the logo that we just created that's named Random Logo. Click on OK. There you have it. Our 2D logo, or as I call it in the 3D world, a plane, a two-dimensional plane. We have to make it three-dimensional or 3D. Within this area, there's a section. Hold the left click button and then drag your cursor onto Extrude. Let the left click go. And then drag the file, the vector file, which is called the random logo, at the center of Extrude. And that's how you bring depth into the logo that we just created. Isn't it cool? Ooh, fancy. It has depth right now. It's 3D. Man! To adjust the depth of the 3D logo that we just created, click on Extrude again and then adjust the sliders. Adjust the slider on the right side of Offset under Object Properties. This is the slider. We can adjust the depth of the 3D logo that we just created. Like this. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? And then to look at the render preview, you can click on Render on the top and then click on Render View to look at the 3D logo when it's exported into the image that has the 3D logo that we just created. And that's it. That's how you make a logo on CorelDraw and then convert the logo into 3D on Cinema4D. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Get yourself subbed up to this channel by clicking on the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you'll get notified on our tutorial videos to come. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.